Let's talk about subtraction. Before I subtract, I need to make sure my numbers are aligned properly. In this problem, I have 31 minus 23. I start in the ones. I have 1 take away 3. 1 is smaller than 3. I can't take away 3 from 1. So I'm going to borrow from next door. My 3 becomes a 2. I borrow 10. My 1 becomes an 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So 31 minus 23 equals 8. The next problem, I have 278 minus 194. 8 minus 4, I started my ones, is equal to 4. 7 take away 9, I can't do it. I have to look next door. My 2 becomes a 1. My 7 becomes a 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So my answer is 84. In this problem, I have 1,290 minus 748. I start with the ones. I have 0, take away 8. I can't do it. I look next door. My 9 becomes an 8. My 0 becomes a 10. Now I can subtract. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Now I have 2 take away 7. I can't do it. I look next door. My 1 becomes a 0. My 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 7 equals 5. So my answer is 542. The next one, I have 4,192 minus 1,176. I start in the ones. I have 2 take away 6. I can't take 6 from 2. My 9 becomes an 8. My 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 4 minus 1 equals 3. My answer is 3,016. In this problem, I have 8,361 minus 1,455. I started my ones. I have 1 take away 5. I can't do it. My 6 becomes a 5. My 1 becomes an 11. 11 minus 5 equals 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now I have 3 minus 4. I can't do it. I look next door. My 8 becomes a 7. My 3 becomes a 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 7 minus 1 equals 6. My answer is 6,906. And here's our last example. I have 4,881 take away 759. In my ones column, I have 1 minus 9. I can't do it. I look next door. My 8 becomes a 7. My 1 becomes an 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 8 minus 7 equals 1. And 4 minus 0 equals 4. My answer is 4,122. And this concludes our lesson on subtraction.